Can we talk about what's in the new box? I got a new box and I'm so excited. So this is what you get when you join for $19.99. You also get a 50% discount. You get 50% commission if you want to work the business. You get an amazing team that will help train you. You get friends, you get fun. You guys, I have the best team ever, just so you know. So $19.99, this is what you get. You do have some options to get some more kits if you want a makeup bundle or a skincare bundle, and I can help you go through all of that. But this is what you get for $19.99. To keep your discount, if you're only joining for the 50% discount, you need to spend $125 every 6 months. So easy peasy between skincare and some makeup, all the things. So this is the box. Look how pretty it is. Oh, it smells so new. Oh, my other one didn't smell this new. So the thing says it starts with you. This is up to you. You get to decide if it's a business. You get to decide if it's a discount. You get to decide if you want to completely change your life or if you just want to change your makeup game. It's up to you, okay? So when you open it, here's the things that come in it. You're going to get your business materials and some samples. So let's see what I got. The samples can vary, definitely, but it introduces Emery and Sinan. Those are our CEOs and presidents. They are awesome. The opportunity guide. This is going to give you all the information you need if you want to work this as a business. It's going to tell you the comp plan, all the things, okay? Super legit, super amazing, super awesome. They give you the exceptional cream. This is like the like Botox in a box kind of thing. It is an immediate, like, incredible result. My mother uses this daily, okay? This is the age reversist any age. So you get the entire bundle of the aging one, which if you're watching me, you're probably aging, right? I don't think I have any teenagers. You get to try the primer, both of them. Remember whenever I said this one I was using during COVID because my skin was super dry. This one is just your normal primer, but it doesn't budge. It doesn't let your makeup slide. It's literally incredible. My makeup looks as great at night as it does during the day. You're gonna get to try the BB cream. And again, these can change, and then you get some bags, okay? So for $19.99, you get all of that. You get the 50% discount, and you get the opportunity to change your life. Because here's the deal is, if I hadn't said yes to network marketing, to the beauty industry over 6 years ago, Kyle and I would have been borrowing money, begging for money, writing by checks, not having utilities, all the things that we used to do, right? But here's the thing is, Kyle was out of work. His employers were just being jerks. They wouldn't do COVID pay. They denied unemployment. Then whenever he left there to go somewhere else, they would not send separation paperwork to his 401k. So we had no way to tap into any money, okay? And I don't know if maybe that's you. Maybe you're struggling with money. Maybe things are tight. Maybe you just can't do the things that you want. Like, we're already planning our Christmas trip for our kids for Christmas, and we have the money to do that now, right? But it's not this thing that just magically happens overnight. You're going to have to work hard. You're going to have to be consistent. You know how sometimes you forget to feed your kids? No, you never forget to feed your kids. Your kids always eat. They are never starving, right? This business is the same way. Either you do it or it starves to death, right? So you work hard. I am here with you every step of the way. I have the most incredible team, the most incredible upline. Her group is literally so incredible and so precise that if you want to succeed at this, you can. So now it's up to you. Do you want a discount on your makeup? Do you want to completely change your life? Because here's the thing is, when Kyle goes weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks without pay because his employer is a jerk when he's sick, we still had all of our bills paid. We were still able to buy groceries and we didn't have to borrow money. And that's because I've worked hard at this business, and I think that you can do it too. I think that you can. So let me know, reach out to me, tell me what questions you have, okay?